welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going roller skating with my friends. I'm vlogging today. It's not a how-to, it's not a guide like my usual videos, but I hope I have fun with this because I've never really vlogged. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's go. So I popped into Cotton On to buy this jersey because I wasn't really feeling my outfit. No, I don't think that's the reason. I was wearing a white jacket, and this is my first time roller skating, so I might fall, and I don't want to be messing up my nice jacket. And turns out this might be one of my new favorite items because I like this color. It's different. I don't think I own anything of this color. Okay, let's go. So I'm lost, parked on the side of the road and about to make a plan. Oh, there it is. Jesus.
Your destination is on the left.
I'll keep one shoe. Wow. And then what do I do with the other shoe? Oh my god. I've never done this before. It's even safe for me.
Just learn to balance.
Can I give you my other shoe?
No.
Where am I going to keep it?
On Thursday. I'll show you your other pants.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Sorry.
Just tiring doing the laces, eh? Yeah.
Oh my god. Ah.
You can go and sit inside there.
So I see my friends and I'm trying to get to them, but fucking struggle. And they like watching and laughing. Ah. Give me a technique. Ah. Shit! Busy filming me instead of giving me a technique. What do I do? Now my legs are like apart. I swear I'm gonna fall. You must focus.
All right. Okay. Your problem is jump slow.
The most important lesson that I learned today from this experience is that balance is very, very, very crucial in life. After a million falls, and this is where I'm at with progress. I can even hold my phone myself now. Yeah, well, I'm a pro now. After all those falls. But I think I did enjoy falling to some extent. I had an incredible time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going home now.